30 years of using my seaweed extract every single day. I'm 66 years old, and people often ask me what I use on my skin. So I'm going to share the simple skincare routine that I've used for decades. And perhaps this will help you too. So the first step is cleansing. Very important, probably the most important part of your skincare routine, but not over cleansing. So I've never been a great fan of using too many scrubs and cleaning your skin until it feels dry and squeaky and tight. You've overdone it if you've gone that far. So you want to keep away from anything that's soap-like cleanser, so anything that foams, because what that does, it disrupts the microbiome of your skin. So what I use instead is a simple cream cleanser, which I used even when my skin would be oily, and it's very plain. It's just made from, this one is made from basically MCT oil, which is a light coconut oil, and it's emulsified with rose water and a few drops of essential oil. It is strong enough, because it's an oil cleanser, to cleanse the skin of any makeup, any debris at the end of the day. And it leaves my skin feeling really silky smooth and soft, and also clean. So when you're looking for a cleanser, try to keep away from foaming cleansers and try to find something that is gentle, low in ingredient list, and that doesn't have things like parabens in, or silicones, or perfume or fragrancing. So that is step one. Now the recommended use of cleansing is in the evening and in the morning, twice a day. I often don't use this in the morning, I just use toning lotion. We'll talk about that in a moment. So I always use this every night. And what I do, I literally, let me make sure it's open. It's closed. There we go. So it's just a light cleanser like so. So what I do, I put it onto some, you can put it on your skin, or you can apply it with a damp cotton wool, or if you want to be environmentally conscious, of course, you can just put it on your skin and then wipe off with a cloth that you can reuse again. So that is my go-to cleanser for the last 40 years, I would say. Step 2, toning lotion. A lot of people don't talk about toning lotion, but actually it is a really good step, and this is the thing I use most. So again, with a toning lotion, you want to make sure that it has no alcohol in, that it's very gentle. So if you're unsure, if you want to get yourself some just rose hydrosol hydrolat, or cucumber hydrosol hydrolat, and use that as a toner, it's perfectly balanced, pH balancing for the skin. It doesn't disrupt the microbiome in the skin, and it helps to refresh your skin. So every morning without fail, I put a little of this, excuse me, I'm froggy here, a little of this straight onto damp cotton wool, and I massage my face and neck with this. I also, if I feel that my eyes need a little bit of toning up, I just apply a little bit onto my eyes. The other advantage of this is it's lovely during the day if you just feel like you need a little bit of refreshment. It's just a spritz, just to refresh, and also if you want to set your makeup. And it just replenishes the moisture in your skin if your skin is dry. So I use this after cleansing and also first thing in the morning to refresh my face. So any hydrosol will work, or a mixture of hydrosol. This is a particular mix of cucumber, witch hazel, and rose hydrolats, hydrosols, and some essential oils. And then we come on to the seaweed gel. So many years ago, I discovered when I was doing beauty therapy and treating customers that I noticed that people who had the seaweed gel applied on the facials, it seemed to make the skin more resilient and stronger. So I found a company in Brazil, this was in the 90s, and started buying the seaweed directly from them. And it was already prepared into a gel and into a liquid format. And then I mixed it with hyaluronic acid and also some essential oils. And I've been using this for a decade on my neck, especially lower face and around the eyes, to firm the skin. Now, a few years back, I decided to put it into a cream. So this, my Revitalizing cream, which I developed a few years ago, contains the seaweed gel, which is a composite of brown and red algae, and also hyaluronic acid, plus some essential oils and other goodies. And this is what I've been using daily for the past 30 years on my skin, not this complete one, but the seaweed gel. And I strongly believe that it's made my skin smoother, stronger. It's not going to stop the aging process entirely, but it will slow it down. Keeps the skin strong, the elasticity strong. Now, if you have your own thing that you like to apply, this is the time when you would apply a serum or a cream. So you do this in the morning before you leave the house, at night time as a repair cream, but don't add tons of product. The trick is to keep it simple. So if you have your favorite serum, apply that, and then a few months later you could change to something else. But don't apply layer upon layer, and don't overstimulate your skin. Your skin will not thank you for it. So my routine has never been about using lots of products. It's about using gentle, nourishing skincare consistently. So at 66 years old, consistency is still my main skincare ingredient. So I hope that helps everyone, and stay beautiful, and it's bye for now.